Home renovation? What? Yes, that is right. Eagle Home Painting can take your project from ordinary to extraordinary. Check out this carpentry project, Wainscoting.
And 2 times you let it slip from your lips. You got too much pride to make any promises, thinking that we got time and you wanna keep it in. I want you out in the pouring rain, I want you down on your knees, praying to God that I feel the same. I'm right here, baby, so please hold me up, tie me down, 'cause I never wanna leave your side. I swear to never let you down, and it's been keeping me alive. You can take me home, you can never let me go. Hold me up, and tie me down, 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 and tie me down, don't hide, you're wasting your energy. You're not shy, so baby, it's useless. So don't try